Hi, in this video we're going to learn how to write a JavaScript program that checks whether a given integer is within 20 units of 100 or 400. This is a simple proximity check that comes in handy when working with ranges. Let's get started. We'll be checking two ranges. The first is whether a number falls within 20 units of 100, and the second is if it's within 20 units of 400. If it's within either of these two ranges, the program will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Here's the JavaScript code. The function test100 takes a number x as an argument. It checks whether the absolute difference between x and 100 is less than or equal to 20, or if the absolute difference between x and 400 is less than or equal to 20. Let's break down how this works. First, we calculate the absolute difference between the number and 100. If it's within 20 units, the function returns true. If not, it checks the difference between the number and 400 and applies the same logic. Here's an example. The number 90 is within 20 units of 100, so the function returns true. Now let's look at another example. The number 10 is not within 20 units of either 100 or 400, so the function returns false. Here's a more modern version of the function using ES6 syntax. It's more concise, but achieves the same result. The logic is the same, just compressed into a single line using arrow functions and the ternary operator. And there you have it, a simple but effective way to check if a number falls within 20 units of 100 or 400. This type of check is useful when working with ranges or tolerances in numerical data. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful programming tutorials.